Hey guys, so today I've got a quick tip on a 2017 BMW 340i. It's got a check engine light on right over there, and I got the fault codes right over here, p0446 and p0440. It's a pretty common issue in these cars. You go take it to AutoZone or Riley's, look up online, they're gonna tell you to change the gas cap or fuel cap. That won't make any difference. So the problem usually is, pop the hood, take this cover off, it just pops off, and it's this purge valve over here. It's usually a purge valve for the evap system. BMW sometimes calls it a vent valve for the canister or the fuel tank. I have already replaced it. It's very easy to replace, no special tools are needed. Just 3 connect hoses. You push it in, it pops out, push it in, pops out, push it in, pops out, and this electrical connector. You will need like a smaller screwdriver to open this lock outside, and then press it and then pull it outside, and the connector will come off. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. If you need the part number, I ordered the part from BMW. Got the part number right over here. You can find them online at a lot of part stores too. If not, BMW is the best place to get it. This is the old one right over here. The easiest way to test it is this piece over here. You can put a vacuum on it and see if it holds vacuum, and most of the time it will not. If it's not holding vacuum, this is your problem. Again, there are some other reasons why that code can come on too, but this is 99.9% of the time the reason. So just a quick video showing what I've seen in the past on these cars. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.